Hey everyone, welcome to Asynchronous Lesson 1.6. Today is all about graphing, interpreting graphs, and making an argument. And so the learning objectives for today are to draw conclusions from a graph, make an argument using claim, evidence, and reasoning, and identify features that make a graph better or a better or worse representation of the data. During this lesson, you will first watch a video from Dr. Samuels about graphs. It's a little introduction to graphing. Then you will complete an activity, this 1.6 graphing conflicting contentions. It looks like this, and basically you have data about the change in sea level over time in 3 different states, and you have to decide which graph is the best representation of the data and why. In order to do this, you're going to use this strategy for making an argument called CER, or claim, evidence, and reasoning. So you're going to make a claim, you're going to find evidence for your claim, and you're going to connect your evidence to your claim by making a logical connection through reasoning. This video will be helpful to think about how to make an argument and how to support your claim with evidence using reasoning. Once you're done with that, you're going to post to Flipgrid a 90-second max video about which graph you think was the best. You're also going to respond to at least one of your classmates' videos. Try to respond to a video that doesn't already have a response so that people can talk as much as possible. Have fun with this one. It's a little bit different. There's not as many calculations, and so I think it will be fun for you all. So enjoy.